If you want to generate a high quality real estate leads, then you are in the right place, because in this video I am going to show you a powerful WhatsApp chatbot that I have personally designed for real estate businesses. And the best part, it uses a high converting template message that instantly grabs attention and start conversation with your potential buyers. So let's understand this more clearly. The moment a user receives this message, the chatbot takes over the conversation automatically, guiding them step by step to book consultation, give them instant follow-ups even while you are sleeping. And here's the craziest part, I built this entire WhatsApp chatbot without writing a single line of code. Yes, this is all made possible using a powerful tool called Pabbly Chatflow that makes WhatsApp automation super easy. So don't skip the video, because I'll be sharing a special coupon code to get a discount on Pabbly Chatflow and a game-changing feature that lets you to send this WhatsApp templates to hundreds or even thousands of users at the same time. So if you are serious about scaling your leads and automating your business, then your wait is over. Now let's start building this high converting WhatsApp chatbot step by step. At first, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and then you will come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have a special coupon code. So if you also want to design this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. See, this offer is only for some time, so grab it as soon as possible. Now, after doing the sign-in process, you will see all Pabbly apps, where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and you will come in the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is adding your WhatsApp number. So if you want to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am directly going in this flows feature. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses by using Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of your flow, and I want you to know that these types of chatbots are work on the basis of these types of flows that we are going to build by using Pabbly Chatflow. And trust me, the designing process of this type of chatbot is the simplest and the easiest thing. Now, this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am entering my flow name as Generate Real Estate Leads WhatsApp Chatbot Setup. Here I have given the name by my choice, because I am creating a WhatsApp chatbot for real estate businesses, but you can give it completely based on your own business. Here you will see two options. The one is active inactive toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will becomes inactive and it will not work. And another one is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. And on the left hand side, you will see two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. In simple terms, these are the bricks for designing a WhatsApp chatbot flow. Here, at first you have to select the trigger events. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am selecting my trigger event as template selected. After that, I am clicking on this choose template button and selecting this template, that is real estate property alert template. This is the template that I have already designed before. So for designing this template, you have to click on this template feature and go in this template list. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp template for your different type of businesses. It is a predefined messages that were approved by Meta for easy access and scale communication. In simple terms, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. See, if you want to create a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can design a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. This is the template that I have already created before for real estate property alert. Now we will go back to our flow. After selecting the template, you will see it includes two options, that is yes, show details and view best offers. Now whenever the user will receive this template and click any of this button, then the bot will takes over the conversation. So I am moving forward with the first one, that is yes, show details. When the user will click on this yes, show details button, then the bot will send them this type of message that please select the property you are interested in with one option in the form of list. So for setting up this message, I am adding one list button from here. You will see this list box is divided in three parts, name is header, body and footer, where in this case I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving these blank and directly writing a message in this enter body box as awesome. Please select the property type you are interested in. After that, I am clicking on this H section button and entering a section title as properties. After that, for adding this type of options, you have to click on this plus add items button. Here I am adding only 3 types of properties, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. Here I have added as modern homes, premium villas and smart investment. You can also enter description in this enter description boxes if you want to. After that, I am linking this circle which I present in front of yes, show details to this list node. See, it is connected. Now when my user will select the property type that they are interested in, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to do the setup of custom field tag. So for that, I am clicking on this actions option and adding button as set custom field. After that, I am selecting the contact custom field as property type. After that, in this enter value box, I'm going to write this, that is modern homes, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this property type. That's why I am linking this to this. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before switching to the another tab, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. I am opening this in a new tab. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. See, it is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like property type, name, phone number, date, etc. In simple terms, contact custom fields are used for sending a personalized message to each user. When you scroll down, you will see one option by the name of plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to enter the field name here and also write the description in the field description box. After that, you just have to click on the save button. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of property type, so I'm not creating more. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field not specifically for this property type. Now I am going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field nodes for each of these property types. Here I have added, as you can see that I use the same contact custom field node in each of these property type, but only change the value completely based on the input that I have entered in this enter title box. You also have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box. At the end, this will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their selected choice. Now, when the user will select the property type that they are interested in, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name. So for that, I am adding one ask question button from here and going to enter a question in this enter message box. As please provide your full name for the booking. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name and the format is text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. See, number of attempts is defined as how many times you are giving the retry attempts to your user for answering this question. It also means that whenever the user will not reply to the bot in the correct format that you will select from this list. For example, here I have selected the format as text and the user will will reply to the bot in the format of number while answering this question. Then on those type of cases, we have to increase the number of attempts for our users so that they can re-attempt the question. But make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For example, please enter the name in the correct format. So this is how it works. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am linking all these 3 contact custom field not circled to this question box. See, connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now, when the user will share their full name, then my bot will ask them to send their contact number, date of viewing the property, and the timing. So for that, I am going to do the same that I have done here, means I am adding 3 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added, where in this question box I write the message as please provide your contact number so we can reach you regarding your booking. For that, I have clicked the contact custom field as contact number and the format is number. You can also enter minimum and maximum values in both of these boxes if you want to. Next, in this question box, I ask my user to share the view date. For that, I have clicked the contact custom field as date and the format as date. Lastly, in this question box, I write that great. Now, please give a preferred time for viewing. So for that, I have clicked the contact custom field as time and the format as any. Now, when all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized summary message to the user that dynamically includes their selected property type from this list, their provided full name, and all the details completely personalized, just like this. So for setting up this message, I am clicking on this messages option and adding one text button. Now I am entering the respond message in this enter message box. As thank you for sharing your details, here's a summary of your booking property with $symbol property type, full name, contact number, date, and time. As you can see that I have used the $symbol in some fields because with the help of this symbol, the bot will reply to the users dynamically, completely based on their input, as it is a contact custom field symbol. Here in this step, whenever the user will share their full name or select the property type that they are interested in, then with the help of this contact custom field or property type and full name, the bot will automatically captures the user's provided response and mention it in this place. So this is how it works. Now with this message, I want to add 2 quick buttons. So for that, I will click on this plus add button and entering a button name as yes confirm booking and selecting the button type as quick reply. After that, I will click on the save button and the next button I am adding as no change property. Here I have added. After that, I am linking this circle to this. Now when the user will click on this yes confirm button, then bot replies to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line, selecting the content type as text button and entering a respond message is this that your booking has been confirmed. You will receive a call shortly for the further details. And if the user will click on this no change property button, then the bot will again send them this property type list. See, it is connected. Now the next button is view best offer. If the users wants to view the offer, then they will click on this button. Then the bot will share them the details about the offer. So for that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button and entering the latest offer details in this enter message box. Here I have entered and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. Now I'm going to test this flow to check whether it is working perfectly or not by sending this template message to my WhatsApp business account. So for sending it, I'm going in this inbox feature. After that, I'm selecting myself from this contact list and clicking on this option. Next, I'm selecting the template as real estate property alert. After that, in this body name field, I'm entering as $symbol city. See, with the help of this symbol, automatically in the place of this, the user specific city name will comes. I have created a separate detailed video of how you can design this template and how you can send it to thousands of users by just one click. If you want the video, then comment automation in the description below. I will share the video with all of you guys. After entering the body field, I am selecting the image from here. I want to send this image So for that, I'm clicking on this insert button and clicking on the send button. See, the template is sent successfully and immediately I have received 2. So let's say I want to view the best offers. So I'm clicking on this option, that view best offers. Then it shows me the latest property offers. If I clicked on this yes, show details. Then it asks me to select the property type with one option, the form of list. Once I click on it, it will provide me the tabs of properties. Let's say I am selecting my interest as premium villas. See, this is the same list that we have designed here. After that, it will ask me for my full name. So I'm sending my full name as a smart user. That will ask me for my contact number. So I'm sending one test contact number. After that, the viewing date as 21/4/2026. After that, the timing I am sending as 6 p.m. And then you will see I have received the summary message from the bot that includes exactly same input that I have given. That is the selected property type as premium villas, name as a smart user, one test contact number, date and time, and one message that is, would you like to proceed with this booking? So let's say I want to proceed. So I am clicking on this yes confirm booking button. See, the bot is giving me the personalized message. It is only made possible with the help of this contact custom field node and the dollar symbol that we have used. So this is how contact custom field works in real time. Then you will see I have received this message that your booking has been confirmed. As our chatbot is working perfectly, so I'm going to end this tutorial. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. And lastly, a quick overview about the amazing feature that is this broadcast. So you can send this template message to your multiple user by using this broadcast feature. It is the safest and the easiest way to send bulk messages. So not only you can create the WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow, but you can even do broadcast, and many more using this single tool. So go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.